What if someone was living in your apartment without you ever knowing? In a quiet Chicago neighborhood, a young woman moved into her new apartment, excited for a fresh start away from the noise and routine. On her first night, faint knocking echoed in the hallway. She opened the door cautiously, but no one was there. Only a small note written in strange, desperate handwriting. "I've loved you since the moment I saw you." Days passed, and the strange events escalated. Objects moved on their own, footsteps echoed from empty rooms, and whispers seemed to follow her everywhere. One night, as she moved through the darkness, she suddenly felt eyes watching her from the shadows behind a thin curtain. Her heart raced, and she slowly turned, freezing in place. In the dim light, a figure stood there, smiling directly at her, motionless yet alive in a way that made her blood run